Go.
Hi guys, welcome to Yumi's Toy Review. And today we're going to see what's in the magic table.
Let's see what's inside. Wow, what is that?
A smasher egg.
Wow, we have a miniature smasher egg. Wow, let's open it up.
I'll open it. Man, this smasher egg is lucky. I got this smasher egg is lucky. Let's see what's inside. Let's see what's inside. Let's see what's inside. I'll get the golden one. Need some help here. I'm gonna need some help. Can you help me? You might help me. Mushrooms. We got the Velociraptor. Oh, God. I followed this. I'll see you get the golden gorilla. Next time you go buy another one, I get the golden gorilla. Next time you go get the golden gorilla. There's every single egg at Dollar Tree. I just saw things called Dollar Tree. I usually have eggs. For graduation, I just usually do graduation. So we got this one. Okay. Oh, Daddy. Hey, friends. Next time I will get the golden triceratops, but we only got this one. And got this. Ah! It was scratching you. His foot is giant. So that means we should follow the trail. So we gotta follow the trail. That one. Now